My name is Sofronio Vasquez.
Bro, Sofronio, you are a megastar. Oh, my bro. Hi guys, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're back again with another Vasquez reaction. But this reaction is gonna be in two. So I'll be reacting to two of Mr. Vasquez's performance. This performance is called Every Breath You Take, and it's also featuring with Jeremy Beloate. I'm not sure who is this guy, but I'm positively sure about Mr. Sofronio Vasquez. And the next song, I'm not sure if this is the name of the song, but I'm seeing here it's called Vasquez's dazzling voice gets an instant 4-cheer turn. The voice. So I'm gonna react to these two songs for Mr. Sofronio here, Vasquez Maji. So people, let's see how well he'll dominate in these two songs. Peace. Very good drum roll though. Awesome tune. Oh, so this is Mr. Jeremy. Okay, loving the sound, loving the voice. I guess he can do something. I guess he'll impress me. Because I love the impression of good artists, so that is the reason I'm here to check him out. Okay. This was one of my favorite songs while growing up as a youth in my youthful days and also in high school. I think I have sung this song twice in each of my graduation in primary school and also in high school. So this is my favorite song while growing up in high school and also primary school for my graduational song choice. Yeah. I'll be watching you every single day. Purified voice, bro. Awesome. I mean, like, I guess if this guy is portraying such great talent, he's skillful, very skillful, and I love it. I would love to see this. I would love to see this. This is something I would love to see most definitely because I'm loving the performance. I'm loving the sound so far. Oh, crazy vocals. I'm loving the vocals. Awesome. Awesome. Very good, very good, very delightful. Oh! Great duet. Harmoniously good. Whoa, I gotta say, these two guys have some great, incredible vocals. Now, I've known Mr. Velasquez like about for 3 days now, and I'm loving what he's doing. But to see these guys collaborate together and the powerhouses voice that they are carrying now is to die for, bro. I'll be watching you. Wow. Wow. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh, my bro has now stepped in single-handedly. And I want to say about this guy, right? Whenever time this guy sings, he displays a work of art. He's a true artist because his stories are way so vividly drawn It gives you the impression as if it's something realistically happening. Very good, Mr. Vasquez. Very good. These two can sing very well. I gotta say. Very well. Oh my god! Bah, bah. Nice, nice. I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that so much. Amazing. This is like a blooming flower, right? Have you guys ever saw, must have been seeing this, but have you guys ever saw a sunflower before? When it blooms during the sunny momentum, it enlightens the day. It gives the day such refreshing moment. And this is how this song felt. This is how these guys put these words together. This is how they are singing. Very good. Nice. I gotta say, whosoever chose them to do this duet, very good. Awesome. Because Jeremy is singing in some very great voice. Good. Very good, bro. Oh my god, I'm feeling this performance! Bra, bah! Absolutely sweet, tasty, refinement. What a lovely dish of a feast, bro. Damn, damn. Awesome music, very great performance, guys. I did enjoy this one. This one is very good. Well, people, that was good. That was really good. I gotta say, enjoy the performance. So, guys, please stay tuned for this next song. Let's go. Oh, even the judges, bro, felt that one. Even Snoop Dogg, one of my favorite singers out there, felt that one. Damn. 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 Oh my god, even me! I'm feeling this one. I'm feeling this one even more, bro! Oh my goodness! Yo! Yo, I'm feeling this one even more, bro. What the fuck, bro? This guy, who is he actually, man? Yo, I gotta say, you guys see in Philippines, bro, there are some really good, spectacular singers are from the Philippines. No cap. I've reacted to like a good amount of you guys, and trust me, I never yet felt disappointment. Always something good to display for me. Always. I never yet had a dull moment with y'all. Trust me.
And the sound of the rain against my window pane slowly slowly driving me insane. I'm going down, I'm going down. You went round, baby.
Oh, yeah.
My whole world's upside down. Oh, I have to say goodbye. Look what you've done to me.
Bro. Magnificent. Magnificent. You see this guy? When he do sing, everything comes alive. Everything feel revived. It's like a revival spirit, bro. You guys can sit and you guys can engulf yourself with flames of joy coming from Mr. Vasquez. Always, bro. Always. Always, bro.
I can't stop the seas from falling from my eyes.
Woo! Woo! Ra, 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 ra. Oh my goodness! That was good. That was good. An incredible singer. Right? This man is actually giving the fans what they known him for. Splendid music. Always. Always. Very good, bro. Very good. At this point, I think he's toying with these people. Because knowing this man's capability, he's toying with them. And I love to see more. I love to see more, bro.
Player from the Himalayas, what your name is and where you from?
My name is Sofronio Vasquez.
Bro, Sofronio, you are a mega star. Your journey just begun. And please just continue. Never give up. Because I've seen a lot of people made it like some good distance away and they have given up. This is your journey, bro. Keep it up. Never let anyone discourage you not to pursue your dream, because we have a lot of those people out there with a lot of bad wishes. So, bro, don't follow what the majority says if it's negative. If the minority is saying go, go, bro. Follow those people. The minority who is giving all the positive messages, commenting the positive messages, follow those. Even if the majority is loads of negative, do not follow them because they are not good, bro. Follow the positive people and you'll reach far. Those people will elevate you. While you're elevating, a lot of more people will come and join those positive people. And you'll have a fan base. And you do have a fan base.
And I am from the Philippines.
I'm Italian, so I gotta say it this way. Sofronio.
Oh my God.
His name is really cool, bro. Really cool name.
I'm a little worried. I'm from Oklahoma. I don't know if you're going to understand me or not. I could not hit my button fast enough.
Exactly. I would have hit the button same time because of his displaying talent.
Your voice is like butter. It is so easy on the ears, but your soulfulness touched my heart. You've got the whole package. I won last year, so I'd kind of like to carry that victory on to this season.
For me, I would love to see this man win this competition because he's the best yet. I would love to see him win this competition, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I would love to see him. Best one yet. And he has made it to the finals too. I would love to see him, bro. Trust me. I would be so happy. I've seen a lot of people, but they are good, but not as good enough as Mr. Vasquez.
And I think you could do it.
Thank you, Reba.
Sofronio, that was a Grammy performance. It felt like somebody that knows.
Exactly. I always said this in my reactions. This guy deserves a Grammy. He does. Coming from so far, he does. Based on his voice, he does.
Knows that God gave him the gift, and they're just trying to get on this stage to show everybody. One thing that I feel like I would help you with, how do you find the music that is your identity through these songs on this show that you're not writing?
Because this dude can sing the phone book.
No, I know. I want a piece of you. I want to be inspired by you. So,
Well, he's an inspiration, and his music are really good. So we all know. We all know. And he, trust me, he know what he wants. He know what song to choose to sing. So this guy has a lot of good journey ahead.
I would love to be your coach here on Team Glenn.
Thank you, Glenn.
I want to start by saying salamat. Because the relationship I've had with the Philippines for so many years makes me love you even more. Your people are such a beautiful people. I can't even imagine how proud you're going to make them.
Yeah.
There's something that is so...
Yeah, I agree. I agree with him. I agree totally 100% because these Philippine people are some really good people. Very blessed and sanctified people. And I would love to surround myself with good people.
about music for you. Dude, I got goosebumps. I'm emotional. I'm trying to swallow because I'm emotional.
Aww.
I want this relationship. It's going to get past whatever happens in this competition.
Trust me, it's going to go there. It's going to go there.
I think you're going to help me win this competition. You're going to win.
Before y'all start crying and all that, let's get back to business.
Well, I'm nervous to see what he's going to sing next. So, yeah, you're watching. Continue, because we're going to experience something I never yet saw.
Let me take off my glasses so you can see what I'm saying. It's country, alternative.
Yo, I rate Snoop Dogg so much. That guy is such a phenomenal guy. Very cool, easygoing. Not a guy to hate on. Very cool guy. Very positive as well.
Crooning. This here is soul. Your soul. Your spirit. Your coach.
He's a very soulful guy. He's a very soulful guy. And you can feel it in his music. Very good.
Your step two. What to, what not to. How to get bigger, better. The teacher, the coach, the mentor. This is where you need to be.
Right. Someone who can teach him to go and push forward ahead. Good coaches as well, good teachers as well, because we know we have coaches and we have teachers who are not so good.
Team Snoop, quit playing, man. I believe it was 1992. I was signed to a label called Death Row Records, right?
Oh, I know that record, bro. It gives Snoop that one of the best songs ever. Trust me, 1992, bro. Damn. I wasn't even born that year. I was born in 97. So it's a lot of time, that, bro. Years.
And 2024, I own the record label Death Row Records. I basically scout for talent like yourself. I see it.
Snoop is such a cool guy. I respect him so much. To share this information with him, to show him that, hey, I'm capable, so whenever time you need me, I'll be here to put your career ahead. Even some more. Spread it some more. Make it bigger.
Put it on, make it do what it do. Get in where you fit in.
This is what this show was named after. It was named after you, the voice.
Very good. Very good comment. Very good comment. Because his voice is really good, bro. He's the voice, bro.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please help me when I say, let's make some noise!
Oh! Let's make some noise for the G, bro. Bro, the people welcome him with such a wide arm, bro. He's very welcome there. Trust me.
You and me to the top. Let's do this.
Let's go to the top together, bro. We are here for you, bro. And I'll always support you after this day.
Well, let me say this. At the end of the day ends. Come on home.
Obviously, you want to work with me, but who do you pick as your coach?
Yeah, let's see who he wants to coach him.
Who's it gonna be? I don't know.
Yo, this gets me nervous, bro. I'll just choose all of them. I have no idea what to do, so I'll just choose all of them. Who did the guy pick? Who did he pick? Bro, that's unfair. That's definitely unfair, bro. That's unfair. But if you guys enjoy this reaction, please just remember to like the video, subscribe, share this to a friend. If you guys can share this to also Mr. Vasquez, I would appreciate it so he could watch my video from Jamaica. I'll see you guys in the next video, probably in the finals. Peace.